Hi, this is John with WTI, and I just recently needed a good set of charging cables that were going to be versatile due to having different lengths, that it was going to be well built, and that it will have a super speed charge capabilities. And this is where this NIMASO charging cables come to place. So this is Type C to Type C, and it already has over 60 watts of charging speed. So that means that your phone, your Chromebook, or anything that you're going to be charging this with is going to be charging at the highest speed possible. And one of the things that I like from this is the well build quality. Really nice, well built. You can stretch this and move this to different sides, and you know they're gonna be fine. The whole attachment, the rubber attachments in the different sides are well built, metal built. This cord, awesome, and it came for different situations for me. So I needed a one that it was gonna be short enough, but not so long enough to be in my car, one for my backpack for me using a power bank, a 6 inch that was gonna be maybe good for my desk, and a 10 inch so I can be rolling over in my bed. It's gonna be good enough for me to not to plug out my wall charger. So this is really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.